Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I got two new things today for SY Sublime from West Marine. I got a Garmin GT51 transducer pair. It's side view, clear view, down view, and traditional transducers for my SY Sublime. So this is an unboxing video. So we have cable, some insulators for the bolts, etc. Some bolts, some washers, and some anti-seize. These are for the cable connectors. You put on that after you've ran your cables. The nuts. Transducers themselves. Ooh, pretty shiny. There's two of these. Other one. And these will be the instructions and cutout templates, draw templates. These must be these are the fairing blocks. Shit. Oh great, I just broke my coffee pot. Awesome. What a day I'm having. Anyway, so these are the fairing blocks. Yeah. I've got to cut these at 26 degrees. 25 degrees apparently. Don't really want to cut these at all. Maybe I could build up the fairing for the, because it's all sit like that on my boat and I'll scan up. It won't do the bottom, it'll scan all the way up, not that, I don't know. I'll figure it out I guess when I get to that point. Yeah, so we have the broken coffee pot. Throw that coffee maker away. I might just get a new coffee pot for it. So we have the two fairing blocks, the two transducers themselves. Sorted hardware. And the hardware too, and the cable, which I thought this always operated on NEMA 2000. This is going to be a pain in the ass to run to my helm because I don't have enough room left in the helm where the pipes are in the helm. So I'll have to figure something out. I don't know. Anyway, this is SY Sublime. I'm going to do another unboxing video. You'll see that too shortly. This is SY Sublime, fair wind, sandy toes, margaritas. More about this next time when I install it.